This is LeetCode number 90, subset 2. So in this problem you have an array and you want to find every single possible subset, but no duplicates allowed. But in the problem there's going to be like some duplicates, like 2 or 2, like here. So yeah. So I was thinking the first way you can solve is obviously brute force using a time complexity around O of n times 2 to the power of n. And the space complexity is about O of 2 to the power of n. So that would take a long time. And then the second way that seems possible is the backtracking method. So for the backtracking, or backtracking, the backtracking. So for the backtracking method, you begin with 1, and then you decide if you want to not have it or have it. If you do choose, then keep going. If you choose not, then you go here, next one, and then you do the same. But then there's a duplicate, so you need to use some space to record the duplicate somehow. So the time complexity I would say is about, it's still the same amount as brute force, so it would be about O of n times 2 to the power of n. But then for the space complexity, well, if you do it right, well, if you use like recursion, then you can possibly make it to the space complexity O of n. So for backtracking using recursion, the space would be O of n, and then the time complexity would be about O of n times 2 to the power of n. So it's better in brute force in terms of memory. Bye everybody.